Anura Kumara Dissanayake was sworn in as Sri Lanka's ninth president on Monday amid hopes that he will bolster the country's economy and eliminate corruption. 56-year-old Dissanayake, the leader of the Marxist Janata Vimukti Peramuna party's broader front, National People's Power, defeated his closest rival Sajith Premadasa of the Samagi Jana Belavagaya in Saturday's election. Supporters of the new president expressed hope that he will usher in an era of development and peace in the country.
We are all excited. We were waiting for so many years, and now it has finally come true. We all worked hard. I'm just shocked from this everything. Our feelings are overwhelming, and I didn't even sleep last night.
The election was the first to be held since mass protests unseated Gotabaya Rajapaksa in 2022 after the country suffered an economic crisis.
We've been waiting for this day for a very, very long time to come. We've been fighting for this 2 years ago in this very same place. We were here. We were fighting every single day to send the corrupt government home, to give us our stolen money back. These are the things, these were our slogans. Give us our money back. To send the 225 home. They were old, they were weak. They could not run this country. They're the ones who brought us to this economic crisis that we are in right now. Not us. We paid our taxes. We are good citizens of this country. So we fought for it 2 years ago, and right now this is our victory.
Actually, we got independent 1948, but it's not independent. This is the right independent we got. So this president will take the action. Anti-corrupted leader he is. They have a policy, and they'll take all the past politician, bring to the in front of the law.
Dissanayake is Sri Lanka's first ever Marxist party leader to become head of state. He faces the immediate challenge of determining the future of economic reforms in the cash-strapped country.